welcome to day 2. So I spent this morning pretty much editing and posting day 1. So day 1 is up already, and I'm chilling inside for today because, guys, if you seen any of my recent reel on my Instagram, I got a lot of bite marks on my hands right now from mosquitoes. They are having a field day with me, and I have some on my arm and my leg. Yeah, so chilling in the house today because tomorrow I will be in Brooklyn and I will be vlogging then too. I'm gonna start working on my parents' backyard. Just the minimum, getting some mulch down, some plants, and put up the gazebo for the backyard. So that's the goal. Hopefully it doesn't rain until later on in the evening on Saturday, but that's what I'm going to be doing. And then of course I have a book event which I will be vlogging. So this video is going to be probably a little longer because it's all going to be two days versus the one I posted today was just 1 day. So it'll be today, day 2 and day 3 will be together, and that's going to be fun. So let's start off by, I'm going to be trying to read. The goal is to read at least get to the where I stopped. So sorry guys, I'm using natural light, so it's gonna go in and out. I'm sorry about that. So I'm reading Pleasant View, which is the Celeste, Mohammed, which is the group read. So I know you guys started that yet, but I'm hoping to read, at least get back to where I stopped and then continue. I'm definitely not going to finish this by tomorrow evening. That's for sure. And I don't want to rush. I'm actually taking notes because I want to be able to, like I said, this is going to be a group discussion. We'll be talking about it as a group. And I want to be able to, all those, because I'm rereading certain parts, there's certain things I'm noticing now that I didn't notice before, which is a good thing. And I'm like, I kind of did miss that part. So the notes and getting into this so I can really dissect this book, especially since it's written in story. I mean, it's a novel in story, so it's different, so many different characters and the connection that they have to a certain event, certain situation. So yeah, but the book I hope to finish in this vlog, I hope to finish, it is not that long. And that is Lucy by Jamaica Kincaid. So I got my cute little bookmark over it, but definitely gonna start this tonight and then try to read most of it tomorrow. That is the goal. But with all the activities I have going on tomorrow, so possibly I might not finish, but either way I will try to get a lot of this done between tonight and it's short. It's a short one, so I know I'll be able to get through this as long as it's really good. And I have a feeling it's going to be good because this is Jamaica Kincaid, So that is the goal for today. I am going to be chilling inside. I'm in my little corner because it's nice and cool down here. Again, renovation is not done. It's not done completely, but most of it is. Most of the I didn't put my painting back, so I'm missing my painting here, but I'm going to keep the walls bare for now until all the painting is done, which won't be for another 2 weeks because the next 2 weeks I have a lot going on, so I actually won't be home to finish it. But yeah, but that's the goal, and I am going to eat and then get back to doing some reading. Yeah, so how you guys doing? Guys? How's the reading? Are you enjoying what you're reading? Let me know in the comments. And yeah, next. the group books, pleasant reviews. So I'm excited that I had the opportunity because it just worked out perfectly in my schedule. So I'm supposed to meet some people here. So I'm gonna go in, see what's about. I've never been to this bookstore, didn't even know it existed, but here I am, and I'm a Brooklyn girl. That says a lot. So it looks small from the outside, but hopefully it's a decent size inside. So yeah. No one's here yet, but that's okay. So it seems small and intimate, and I like that. I think I've been to, I used to go to several of these where a lot of the author, and it was small and intimate. So you get to ask questions, and they get to be more relaxed when the audience is smaller to me than when it's like a huge pack room. So yeah, I'm here for it. So yeah, we're gonna wait until this starts. And I'm glad they allowed me to film in here. I asked and they said yes. So that's a plus. I'll give you guys some extra in this vlog.
And so I lead the Brooklyn Caribbean Literary Festival. It's an organization that's genuinely devoted to promoting the stories that come from the Caribbean and even
being unable to spend it. Because Pleasant View came out during the pandemic. I had a whole year of virtual events and bookstagramming and Zooming, and it's only in April Trinidad started to open up, and even up to late last year we had a hard time with COVID, so it's really only this year things have gotten to the point where I could travel. So winning all these things, being nominated for these things have been nice, but it's almost as if it was completely disconnected from my normal life. Yeah. When we were looking for a theme for today, that's kind of why I chose that old Trinidadian. I don't know if other islands have it, but certainly it's a Trinidadian adage: when you leave a house on fire, wet your own. Because in my mind, if you view America as a house, a really big, very fancy house, I feel as if American readers, the American publishing industry, they're always looking across the street at other houses across the street, but never looking seriously into their own backyard, except when it's convenient politically. it works best when people identify. And so sometimes it's easier dealing with the problems where you live, if it's easier to confront them, if you could read about the same problems somewhere else, if you know what I mean.
Hey guys, look at finally, we haven't seen each other since Brooklyn Book Festival. So if you ever saw the last Brooklyn Book Festival, she was in it. So yeah, the Panda Woman did this to us. But I'm gonna end day 3 of CaribAthon, and the discussion was lovely. I will talk more about it in tomorrow, but I hope you guys are reading Pleasant View. I'm still reading it, I'm not done, but there's so much to talk about because there's so much she explained that I think it's going to be beneficial. I put a little snippet of the discussion that you can check out, and then we will see you in the next one. But I am, yeah. Guys, look at this. He is walking a cat. That is too. Is it a cat or a dog?
I think it's a dog.
Oh, that is too funny. That's what we get from not minding our business. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. I am going to socialize a little tonight with this one. Yeah. All right. Bye, guys.